see. To look at or notice something. To understand. To visit. She could see the sunset clearly from her house. I could hardly see the words on the page without my glasses. We suddenly could see the boat in the distance. I was able to see the sign. She went to see her grandmother. He would like to see her win the gold medal. I am here to see Lisa Miller. I can't see into the window because it's so dirty. I need to see a doctor about my symptoms.